Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video that I'm uploading. Here's the supplies that I use. Some glitter, Mod Podge, and some paintbrushes, also with a sponge, and these two sealers. Most of these supplies I got them from Micheals. But the bottle I'm doing today is a Scent Remy bottle for a lovely lady's birthday. She turned 21. As you guys can see, this bottle is very dark, so I didn't really have to paint it a color. I usually do paint it a similar color that I'm going to be glittering it. For this bottle, if I were to be matching it with the background, I would have picked white so it can pop out, or just red so it can still pop out. But for this bottle, I didn't do that. I just was like kind of in a hurry. But some people, when they're glittering their bottles, they like to put the glue everywhere and then glitter all in one shot. But for me, since Mod Podge likes to dry faster when it's a thin layer, I like to do it section by section to make sure all my whole surface area is covered and beautifully glittered. One mistake I did make, and I do regret, like till this moment, it's my biggest pet peeve right now. But as y'all can see in the little cracks, like the glitter was getting stuck in the cracks of the rhinestones that I did. And what I should have done was do the rhinestones last, but I did it first to give myself an outline. So it was my first time doing this whole blinged out, decked out bottle. So I should have saved it for last because the red glitter really did get stuck in between these rhinestones, and when that happened, some of them did have to lift up, so I had to re-glue them. So yeah, that's one mistake I would say, is leave the rhinestoning for last. All my supplies, like I said before, are from Micheals. You can get them from Walmart in the dollar store. I like to use extra fine glitter. The rhinestones are actually from Micheals. They're like it's a rope of rhinestones. It doesn't come in an individually packaged one. I am going to invest in individually packaged rhinestones because it's just a little more neater. These ones I had to cut it from a rope and then make them individual, if that makes sense. But y'all can see I'm dusting it off and the red is still showing. Like, that was annoying, but we learn from our mistakes. This is me doing my second layer. The second layer always has to be like the most flawless, and I also go in with a little paintbrush to get those little cracks that you guys can see of black. But yeah, my client loved this, and I added a photo, and I recommend putting the photo before you start rhinestoning and glittering. Y'all can't tell me this bottle does not look beautiful. Look how red it looks. It looks so nice. I love the addition of having the photo with it. If you guys like bottles like these, just follow and subscribe for more things just like this, because this is what I love to do. This is what I do.